Top tips for finding the right solution for your replacement project. Get the operation right. VELUX Center Pivot Roof Windows, the classic option with a convenient top control bar for easy opening and ventilation. VELUX top-hung roof windows benefit from extra headspace and panoramic views, the ideal solution for loft conversions. VELUX solar-operated roof windows provide fresh air, better indoor comfort and home security for effortless living. Get the daylight right. Think more. Combine multiple roof windows to create maximum daylight and a feeling of spaciousness. Think bigger. Consider larger roof windows to achieve even more daylight and fresh air. Think better. Upgrade to a solar-operated, white maintenance-free roof window with VELUX app control for ultimate convenience. Create a comfortable space. VELUX internal blinds. Soften incoming light, provide privacy or blackout in any room. VELUX external anti-heat products. Prevent direct sunlight from entering the home and reduce rain noise. VELUX Intelligent Home Control. A range of smart control solutions allow you to take control of your indoor comfort with ease. Take your project to the next stage. Contact us to turn your home improvement dreams into a reality.